Welcome to 4 must-try hacks for school teachers, mastering NotebookLM in the classroom. We'll show you how to reduce your work by half. To get started, log in to NotebookLM, create a new notebook, and upload your source documents, such as PDFs or docs. NotebookLM is not a search engine, but a walled garden. Unlike the internet, which is overwhelmed with unverified materials, NotebookLM provides a grounded research assistant. It only knows what you teach, ensuring zero hallucinations and 100% curriculum control. Hack 1 is the blank page killer, turning loose files into a structured unit hub. Upload your PDFs, slides, and transcripts. Click Briefing Doc to process them, and you'll get an instant outline as your output. Use your sources to generate a 5-day lesson plan in seconds. For example, draft a 5-day plan for 9th graders, including a hands-on activity and a daily formative assessment. A pro tip is the gap check, where you can upload state standards and notes to find missing concepts. Hack 2 is the equity engine, offering one text with infinite levels. Take your original text and instantly generate different resources. This includes a 5th grade summary, an ELL guide for simplified vocabulary, and a targeted vocab list with definitions. Reach every learner with audio overviews and deep dives. Generate a deep dive podcast with AI hosts for auditory learners. Use advanced scaffolding prompts to identify scholarly critiques from the sources to spark high-level debates. Hack 3 is the living textbook, which turns passive readers into active researchers. Curate a project-specific notebook, auto-generate quizzes and flashcards, and share view-only links via Google Classroom. Teach integrity, not just recall, using the citations trust layer. AI models leverage authoritative sources to produce accurate information. Students learn to value source attribution and cross-reference information. You can use guided inquiry to prompt students to find quotes that support ideas in the notes. Hack 4, the admin assassin, turns NotebookLM into your digital brain for policies and paperwork. You can input various documents, like a faculty handbook or meeting minutes. Then, you can ask questions like, what is the procedure for a field trip request? Automate professional correspondence by drafting data-driven emails and proposals. For parent emails, input anonymized student data and use a prompt to draft a supportive email highlighting growth and suggesting areas for improvement. For grant writing, input requirements and notes, then use a prompt to align your project goals with the grant's priority areas. We're here to discuss how to reclaim your time and shift from content management to content mastery. We will cover how to plan faster, differentiate instruction, engage students, and automate administrative tasks using NotebookLM.